Okay, hello students. So today's topic is Ohm's law. Okay, Ohm's law. So actually Ohm's law is V proportional to I. This is Ohm's law. It means potential difference is directly proportional to current. Okay. So before discussing this law, let's do an activity. Okay. So there is a electric circuit, right? So this is a cell. Suppose the potential difference which is maintained by this cell is 1.5 volt. Okay, so this is a cell combined with a wire. This is a wire and which is made up of nichrome. So suppose this is a nichrome wire. Nichrome, actually nichrome is the alloy. Okay, so this is a nichrome wire and this is voltmeter, this is ammeter, switch. Okay, so this is a closed circuit. So this circuit we can represent like this. So this is a circuit diagram. So here suppose there is only one cell like this. Okay, suppose ये अभी नहीं है, ठीक है. Suppose this is only one cell. So when one cell is connected to this wire, so at that time voltmeter gives the reading that is 1.5 volt. Okay, when we connect only one cell in this circuit, so voltmeter gives the reading of potential difference which is 1.5. ठीक है, and at that time ammeter gives the reading 2.7 ampere. You know, ammeter gives the reading of electric current and voltmeter gives potential difference. Okay, so जब हमने एक सेल को कनेक्ट किया तो जो वोल्ट मीटर है सपोज उसने रीडिंग दिया 1.5 एंड एमीटर ने करंट का रीडिंग दिया 2.7. ठीक है, बट व्हेन वी टेक वन मोर सेल, ओके, एक और सेल अगर हम इसमें कनेक्ट कर लेते हैं, नाउ इट बिकम बैटरी बिकॉज द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ सेल इज कॉल्ड बैटरी. ठीक है, सपोज अब यहाँ पे दो सेल हैं, तो व्हेन वी टेक टू सेल, so at that time the value of potential difference will 3.0, it means 3 volt. Okay, and at that time suppose ammeter gives the value of electric current that is 5.4. Similarly when we take 3 cell, at that time the voltage, it means potential difference, the reading of potential difference is 4.5 and at that time ammeter gives the reading of electric current and which is equal to 8.4. and when we take 4 cell in this circuit, then voltmeter gives the 6 volt reading and ammeter gives the value of electric current. At that time when we take 4 cell, it will be 10.8. okay, so this reading this reading is particular फॉर दिस नाइक्रोम वायर ओनली. ठीक है, केवल ये नाइक्रोम वायर के लिए है. ठीक है, अगर हम दूसरा कोई वायर लेते हैं तो उसके लिए कुछ और रीडिंग्स आएंगी. ठीक है, सो इसके बाद यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे, यहाँ पे हमने लिखा V बाई I, इट मीन्स पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अपॉन करंट. सो फॉर फर्स्ट सिचुएशन व्हेन द value of voltage is 1.5 and current is 2.7. So 1.5 upon 2.7 is equal to 0.55. So V upon I, the value of V upon I in first situation will be 0.55. Okay. For second condition, when V3 and current is 5.4, at that time V upon I, 3 upon 5.4, the value will be 0.55. and third condition 4.5 upon 8.4, it is also equal to 0.55. and fourth condition 6 upon 10.8, it gives 0.55. so we can see here, when voltage in the value of voltage, the value of potential difference increases, the value of current also increases, right? But for each condition the value of V upon I will remain same, that is 0.55, right? ये सब के लिए V upon I क्या है, सेम है. It means when voltage increases current is also increases. और किस प्रोपोर्शन में इंक्रीज होता है कि V upon I का जो वैल्यू वो क्या होगा, सेम होगा. ओके. So actually this activity which I have discussed now was experimented by George Ohm at 1827, and after this experiment he gave a law which is known as Ohm's law. ठीक है, he formulated a law which is known as Ohm's law. So actually what is Ohm's law? The voltage across the metallic wire, the voltage across the metallic wire is directly proportional to current flowing through it at constant temperature. ठीक है, तो इसको हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे, at constant temperature the voltage means potential difference, voltage or potential difference across a metallic wire is a directly proportional to the current flowing through it. इसका मतलब क्या होगा? So in mathematically we can write like V proportional to I, potential difference directly proportional to I at constant temperature. Okay, at constant temperature. And as I have told you that when we divide V upon I, it remain constant when divide V upon I. So here when we divide V upon I, so it remain constant, right? अभी हमने एक्टिविटी में देखा था, तो ये V upon I हमेशा क्या रहेगा, कांस्टेंट रहता फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर मटेरियल, फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर मेटेलिक कंडक्टर. ओके, सो दिस कांस्टेंट एक्चुअली इज कॉल्ड रेजिस्टेंस. सो वी कैन राइट लाइक V upon I is equal to R, and ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं V is equal to IR. So this is Ohm's law. V is equal to IR या फिर V upon I is equal to R, कैसे लिखो. And so where R is constant called, ये constant है, इसको क्या बोलेंगे, resistor और resistance. ठीक है, so R is a resistance and the SI unit of resistance, SI unit of resistance is, इसका जो SI unit है, SI unit is ohm, represented by like this. This is a Greek letter called omega, but this is symbolized for ohm. Okay. अच्छा, आप देख सकते हैं. ठीक है, सो V इज इक्वल टू IR. दिस इज ओम्स लॉ. ओके, वेयर R इज constant, that is called resistance, and SI unit of resistance is ohm, represented by omega. Okay, ये SI unit. So okay students, so George Ohm, after this experimented, he find out that V and I directly proportional to each other. It means if we increase the voltage, current is also increases. ठीक है।